guys, welcome to Vlogmas 2022. Hello, so welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another interesting video. Happy new month, yeah, all compliments of the season. It's a new month. We've entered the month of December and I'm super excited. Like, December is literally my best month of the year, yes, because there are lots to eat, lot of holidays, lot of hanging out, you know, and all those good stuff that happens during Christmas. Okay, so yeah, you guys, welcome back to the first day of Vlogmas. So I'm actually doing this Vlogmas thing, you know, it's new to me. This is actually my first Vlogmas. So for those of you who might be asking what Vlogmas means like a daily upload of videos throughout the days of December, you know, from the first day of December to the 31st day of December. So it depends on individuals and how long they can go. Me, I don't even know. I don't even know how long I'm going to do this, but I actually want to try it. I know it's going to be a lot of work, you know, putting out videos every day. Some people do for like 31 days, some people do 25 days, some people do 15 days. Me, I can't make a promise right now because I don't even know how many days I'm gonna do. But what I know is that even if it's for 5 days, I will share do. Shall we Vlogmas? I will participate in this Vlogmas challenge. So yeah, I'll be doing Vlogmas, and from today henceforth, you guys should be expecting my videos every single day. Okay, so yeah, I have a lot to share with you guys this period, and like expect back to back content from me. Expect loaded, okay? And also, you guys, I'm open for suggestions. See, anything you want to see on this channel, this is me begging and asking. Any kind of content you want to see on this channel, please put it down in the comments. Recommend something. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me where you want me to go. Tell me the kind of content you want. Yeah, your wish is my command. I'm actually going to do whatever you guys want, okay? So this Vlogmas is for you guys, okay? So just recommend. Tell me what kind of videos you want me to upload. Tell me the kind of content you want to see on my channel. Tell me where you want me to go to. If you want me to visit any part of Nairobi, please tell me, put it down on the comment section, okay? And I'll definitely do that. You guys, what are your plans? Share with me in the comment section also. What are your plans for Christmas? Are you traveling? Is it gonna be an occasional Christmas for you, or just a simple chill, you know, Netflix kind of Christmas? Share with me in the comment section. I want to know. So yeah, this is my first Christmas away from home. I don't know what to expect. I really don't know how it's going to turn out for me, but what I know is that I'm going to enjoy. Okay, I'm really going to enjoy myself this Christmas. So normally my previous years, how I celebrate my Christmas, I always, especially that Christmas day, I don't go anywhere. I'm always in the kitchen. So it's like a cook day for me. Families will always come around. I'm always around family during Christmas. So this year is going to be quite different because it's just a family of 4. So I don't know how it's going to turn out for us, but I know that we'll definitely have a good time this Christmas, okay? So yeah, even as you guys are enjoying your Christmas, even if you travel, please do well to be watching my video. Please, I can't do this alone. For me to achieve this Vlogmas thing, I need you guys, okay? Wherever you go to, enjoy small. If you're eating your shawarma and your chicken and everything, please just be watching my video by the side. Help me, Joe. This is me begging. This is me begging. Please, if you see my video any day, any upload, just help me and watch that video, okay? Thank you so much, because I know you will watch it. So yeah, that's basically it though. I said I should come and introduce this Vlogmas thing. I'm so much optimistic and I really want to do it. This is something I want to do. I know it's going to be a lot of work on me. I know it's going to be hectic. I know I'm going to put in a lot of work in this because it's not even easy to be putting out videos every single day, okay? So yeah, but this is something deeply in my heart I want to do, and please, you guys should support. Please, I'm counting on you guys, okay? Let's do this. I need you. So yeah, Christmas is here again. Oh time for the holiday and many more merry Christmas to you all. I thought I should open this vlog here and also welcome you guys to my Vlogmas, my everyday posting. Let's do this. I know we'll do it. Let's do this. I'm already dressed, as you can see. I want to go out. I want to go for well baby and also do my checkup, okay? So I don't know if I'll carry you guys along on this one, but if I shall carry you guys along, fine and good, okay? Let me go for my checkup and I'll definitely see you guys later, okay?